Hey, so today's video is little bit different. So usually in my random thought series, I never really show my face properly to you guys, but today I felt personal and somehow this chapter I was reading, felt too much beautiful. Not and I would like to share with you. Today I was reading the manifestation book called Seven Steps of Living Your Best Life by Roxy, and there was one chapter called as Embrace the Gratitude. Honestly, that line stays in my head throughout the day because I realized most of us are grateful conditionally. We say, I will be happy. We say always, we always say, I will be happy when this happens. I will be grateful once my life becomes better. I will appreciate myself after achieve something. But if the gratitude isn't supposed to wait, the author talked about, there are three types of gratitude. The first one is gratitude for yourself. That you can be grateful for your body, for your strength, for your resilience, the ability of keep going. Sometimes we are so busy criticizing ourselves, we forget our body has carried us through every single hard moment, and that's powerful. The second type of gratitude, that was towards life, you know, being grateful where you live, for your family, for your friends, and your small routines. And one thing she said really changed the way I think. Instead of saying, I have to study, say, I get to study. There is some appreciation in between. There is not any burden. There is not any, you must have to do this. No, there is not feeling of that. That tiny shifts changes energy completely, because one sentence feels like a pressure and other like privilege. You can appreciate your things. And honestly, I never realized how harsh our language towards ourselves can become. The third one was gratitude towards the nature, towards the world. So, like the smell of the soil after rain, birds chirping in the morning, and sunlight entering into the window, you know, a random peaceful moment in a chaotic day, that's actually making me happy, but I was never grateful for it. From the day I started feeling gratitude, I seeing change in myself, I seeing change in my behavior. these are the these are the things sound so small, but they make the feel alive. And another thing she mentioned about the journaling, that she said you can journal the things happen throughout the day. You are grateful for it, the simple tiny things that makes you happy. Means like, can I had good coffee today, then I laughed at something very stupidly, I reached home safely, I felt calm for 5 minutes. And because apparently you are consciously practicing gratitude, so it rewires your neurological pathways, and the brain slowly starts noticing abundance instead of lack. And that line hit me really hard. Where your attention goes, your energy flows, she said. And so if your attention constantly goes towards stress, comparison, fear, negativity, your energy follows it, that too. But you start noticing your small movements, the goodness in that moment. The mind slowly becomes lighter, not perfect, not magically healed, but just lighter. Not escaping life, not pretending everything is positive, being fully present. She also talked about mindfulness, where you are, be in a present, Be 100% in that moment, enjoy that moment. That's really important. And I feel like nowadays we are physically present but mentally absent, you know at all the time, like always zone out, always scrolling, always rushing towards next things. And this chapter genuinely remind me, slow down, they appreciate things before they disappear. I stop attaching caveats to happiness, to stop saying I will finally be happy once. Maybe life is also happening right now, in this version, in this moment anyway. I just wanted to share this because maybe someone is watching, you know, someone is watching this and needed this reminder today too. And honestly, I think I needed it too. So tonight, before sleeping, just think the three things you're grateful for, even they are tiny, especially if they are tiny. Because sometimes the smallest things that hold you the biggest peace. And take care of yourself, be a little more gentle towards yourself. Take care, bye bye. We'll see you soon in our next video, random thought series. Thank you, thanks for watching, bye bye.